This is TWiT.
Microsoft finally admits it's killing the stores for Biz and EDU, and because it's a ZDNet story, I'm thinking it's a Mary Jo Foley story.
It is. And can I just say, before we start the story...
I know exactly what you're going to say.
What?
You called
Everyone, I called this. A year ago, I wrote this. Everybody on Twitter said I didn't know what I was talking about. I was crazy. Where was I getting my information? It was obviously wrong. And today, it has been announced.
Oh, you're so clever.
Well, I guess the bigger issue, though, is why are you such a liar?
Exactly.
I mean, how do you sleep at night, Mary Jo?
No, and so I guess I shouldn't even have been surprised when we knew Microsoft was creating the new Windows Store for Windows 11, and they wouldn't comment on, so what happens to the store for business and the store for education? That was kind of the sign right there, right? Like, we don't really want to talk about that yet. So today, they snuck out a blog post and said, by the way, in the first quarter of 2023, we will be getting rid of these stores. So these stores, Store for Business and Store for Education, are these specialty stores that Microsoft set up for IT pros and for education administrators to be able to curate and manage their own set of apps for their users, right? So you as the admin can see, like, I want my users installing this, I don't want them installing this, and set up a library of things that people could pick and choose from. So a lot of IT pros really liked it and they used it. But Microsoft is now saying, because of the way we're restructuring the store and we're letting all kinds of apps in, Win32, .NET, UWP, everything's in there, PWA, pick your acronym, it's in the store, that you'll be able to use Microsoft Endpoint Manager or an endpoint management product of your choice coupled with Package Manager, and you'll be able to do basically the same thing, curate your own set of apps as an admin. Yeah. So, yeah. Those stores are going away. Up until they do go away, you can keep using them. If somebody has an app that they installed through one of these two stores on their managed device, they can keep using it even after the stores are killed, as long as they don't uninstall the app. Once you uninstall the app, that's it.
Yeah. I think you're putting Paul to sleep.
Dude, come on. This is a
yawning,
chapter of when
Paul.
You better listen. You better be listening. This is a chapter in the field guide, buddy. Right here.
I was listening. I'm just tired. It's not.
Once he heard
not
Microsoft Endpoint Manager, he was like, "Oh, that's me in Xbox, right?" Like, yeah.
As long as you don't bring up SQL Server, we're going to be fine.
I did not mention SQL Server, but yeah, I just felt like I'm just tooting my own horn right now. But yes, I was correct, people. The stores for education and business.
Guess this, or did
away.
you get a tip?
No, I had a tip on this. Guys, when I put something out and say it's going to happen, I have it. Like, it's not me just throwing it out there. Like, maybe, who knows? Let me just put that out there. And see what happens.
It could happen.
No.
Okay, good.
But
you don't put like a card
so
in your head
and
kind of read it. And
Karnak.
No, one guy said on Twitter to me today, but why did they take so long to announce this? And I said, well, they didn't think I was going to leak this a year ago. Like, they were not planning to
It's not right.
announce
It's not like it was on the cusp of being announced. It's
right.
Well, they had to get Package Manager in place. They
did.
Had to get the new store infrastructure in place. So it took. Things always take longer than people think they're going to.
Exactly. Yeah.
I can't get rid of this table.
That's me. That's me on Discord. Whoever just put that up. Beyonce doing a little hair flip. That's me right now.
Yeah,
if I had hair, I would be flipping it right now.
Flipping the.
I can see every lock of hair in your head. You clearly have hair.
You can.
Told you.
You can.
Told you.
So that, that's good and bad, right? If you have any little thing wrong with you, you'll be like, oh, they could see this little mark.
I love it.
Yeah.
At least you knew that was Queen Bee. That's good.
I did. Oh, I know her well.
Oh.
I love Beyonce.
Yay. And she does do that flip well.
Who doesn't love Beyonce? Come on.
And who doesn't love animated GIFs in a podcast?
Exactly.
Yes.